I'm at the Texas Wholesale. Let's see if they can fit all this stuff in the car. There's one silver truck right there. His truck is already full. And he's buying more stuff. And then that guy that was coming in to help him to load up the stuff. Well, he was upset and he left, but I guess he's going to get another one. So I don't know how he's gonna put all that in the car. So let's find out how they're gonna load all that up in the car. Let's see if it will fit. To me, I don't think well, this car, the Toyota right there, it probably will, because he probably could put some in the back seat. But the trunk, well, yep, that one fit. Amazing, that one fit. And the one over there with the guy in the yellow shirt, well, I guess they're just standing there debating how they're gonna put everything in there. Now they have two of that dolly thing. Not dolly, but the trailer. Now they have to rearrange all the stuff. Let's see. I was right. They're not gonna be able to fit it. But let's see. I don't know, that yellow guy in that shirt work for the Texas Wholesale or is with that guy in the white shirt. So let's see. We'll find out, right? They could stack up high, but you never know. Now that white guy is putting some of his stuff in the back of the car seat. Well, while we're waiting, let me go ahead and show you the area a little bit. I'm in the car actually. I was having some pain, so I couldn't go out. Let's look. Here's the entranceway. And then that guy was working there at Texas Wholesale. He was pushing the cart. It's a nice area. They just got this place here. I would say maybe about, what, a year now? Or 2 years, I think. Okay, we're back. They're still loading up. I don't think they're gonna fit all that. I'm sure they're gonna have to put in front for the passenger seat too and all that and all the floorboard. I'm definitely sure of that. He's piling up already. closer, guys. And let's see. See, it's not much room, right? And then he still have 2 cars there, see? Hopefully nothing flies out. But at least it's cases of stuff, so I guess it's not gonna fly out. Oh, it looks like his store's gonna be pretty busy. Nope, I'm right. It's not gonna fit. It will not fit everything. Now it's just undecided. Where are we gonna put this? Where are we gonna put this? It's pretty tight, as you can see. Now let's look, guys. Oh, the trunk's closed. That's all they can put right there now. Oh, they still got quite a bit, right? Now they're gonna try to stack on top. They don't look too busy today. I mean, there's quite a bit of car, but they're not too busy like they used to be. There's another worker. We're gonna move around before you guys gonna get bored. There's another guy loading up over there. You don't have too much stuff. But these guys are still going. They're still putting the stuff. Let me zoom it up for you to see. Well, they're doing pretty good back there. So far, they haven't put anything in the front yet. It's been about almost 10 minutes of recording here. Just one customer just coming in now. Yep, there he goes. Okay, let's back. Oh, they're still recording. I mean, they're still loading. Stacking up pretty high, huh? Now he's climbing up there. He could put more stuff up there, right? That's a little scary, don't you think? It might come out. You still got a whole bunch of more stuff. Well, it looks like they made it, guys. Now those little stuff they have to put in the front, definitely. If they don't, then why it wouldn't fit? But, yep. Hooray, guys, they did it. They did it. But I just hope if he doesn't drive too fast that it would come out. Because I don't think they're going to put a rope around there. Yep, he's done. He's done. Okay, he's taking a drive off. I get that guy works over here too.